In today's video, I will walk you through how to upload videos in Filmora. First, open Filmora and wait for the main project screen to load. Once you are inside the editor, look for the media panel at the top or left side of the screen, depending on your version. Next, click on Import. This will open your File Explorer window where your files are stored. Now browse through your folders and locate the video file you want to upload into Filmora. Once you find it, click the file to select it, then click Open. After you do that, your video will appear in the media library inside Filmora. This means the video has been successfully uploaded into your project. To start using the video for editing, drag it from the media library down to the timeline. Drop it into the video track so it is placed in your editing workspace. Once the video is on the timeline, you can click it to select it, trim it, or apply any edits you need. You can also add multiple clips by repeating the same import process. If you want to upload more than one video at the same time, you can select multiple files in the File Explorer before clicking Open, and they will all be added to the media library together. And that's how to upload videos in Filmora. Thank you for watching the video.